Hi, my name is Tina. I have Lyme's disease. This is what's left of the last Lyme protocol that I ordered. The products work. They work for so many different things, especially now during the pandemic. They have things for allergies, viruses, liquid shield lotion, which I really love. I love the cytogen, the blue sage, but for Lyme's disease, it's the only thing after spending thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and visits and whatever that has ever worked. And so if you're considering their company, they're a great company. They have years of experience. Dr. Sarah, she does one-on-one consults too, and she's reasonable and she knows what she's talking about, and she's actually very sweet. So, hey, give it a shot. I highly recommend these. Good stuff, just good stuff. Especially, and Lyme's is a hard one. So there's a lot of things out there, but I like it because these are liquid tinctures, and they just work. They really do. So thanks for listening. Stay safe during the pandemic. Practice that social distancing and wash your hands a lot, and order the protection shield. Works great. Works great. Alrighty. Not a professional video, but hopefully it helps. Thanks. Bye.